Hey guys, it's me again. So you want to earn money online and you want to get paid, and then you want to spend the money on the things you have always wanted to buy or the places you have always wanted to go. You want to earn money and you want to earn money fast. Well, today must be the lucky day, because in this video I'll be teaching you how to earn $25 every single minute with this brand new method. But you must watch the video to learn how to do it properly. This is so simple that even complete beginners or those with little prior experience can be accomplish it. And speaking of experience, you don't need to be exceptionally competent or an expert to execute it. It's completely free, requires no investment, and is available to everybody in the globe. So take your seatbelts and strap yourself in so you won't be distracted by anything else but this video. Now let's go back to this video. The first step is to visit the website 5squid.com. Now 5squid isn't a website where I can purchase and sell squid or other aquatic marine animals. Instead, it's a website where I can provide excellent service or hire someone to complete the work for you. You can do this roughly £5 on a website similar to Fiverr, which is also a freelancing website. As I stated during the beginning, you don't need to be experienced or professional to do this, and I will make it as simple as possible for you. On this website, the first thing you should do is go to the search bar and type in your message. But first, if you click on the 3 steps next to the search bar, you can see all of the different categories that are also available. And if you want to try and offer your own unique skills in addition to what I will teach you in this video, you can just click on any of them. They have graphic design, music and audio, digital marketing, and other things as well. When you return to the search box after searching for services that contain your message, you will notice that many individuals are offering this service and earning £5 over and over again. But don't worry, it's actually quite simple and it's even easier than you may think, since I will show you a already done way that will require you to put in the least amount of effort compared to others that provide the same service. You can make a lot of money, more than $5, but because there is processing fee, you can only earn half of that. Don't worry, you will still get the $5. Before we go any deeper, I will give you some time to subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved this video thus far. And if you found this video very interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. The only thing that's missing now is a picture, but not just any photo, but one that's dynamic. A dynamic picture is essentially a static image of someone or something, but it is possible to add the text, which we may obtain by visiting headmill.com. There are 3 photographs of the Einstein, Uncle Sam, and the Quaker guy on this page. If we click on the Einstein chalkboard, we can see that there is a static image of Albert Einstein, and that is written on the chalkboard. It can be changed and edited, which is completely unique feature because the customer may customize it whatever they want. So if we type subscribe to my channel and then click change image, you will notice that the text will be changed to what we just tried. Depending on the buyer request, we can simply adjust the text and put it whatever they requested. It's a really simple strategy that everyone may follow. So after you have finished changing and replacing the text, you can either screenshot an image and crop it, or right click on the image and save it to your computer or your phone. Then all you have to do, just upload it and hand to the client. It's as simple, of course. If someone purchases an image from you, they will write a rating and review, and you will begin to attract other customers who want to use your services. You will continue to earn $5 indefinitely. Just make sure to join up for 5squid and create an account so you can advertise and offer and services to those who are seeking it. I'll skip that step because it is quite simple to do on your own. Now if you want to increase your revenue stream, I can show you a bonus website called Fiverr.com, which is a freelancer marketplace for those who need work done for people who want to give their services. You may accomplish the same thing here by offering your services as someone who can customize a dynamic image with a particular message. That's all there is to it when it's come to making money online to the simplest way. And that's it. If you love similar type of contents, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.